Another little largemouth bass. Nice little fish. About a pound again.
Alright.
Just let him go. Alright, another pounder, spotted bass. It's a huge one swimming around, eating all our shiners. Max lost another one. His dad lost one, I think. There you go. Nice bass. It missed like a 5-pound when it jumped. Like, I was reeling my shiner in, and it came to the top to try to get it before I reeled it in all the way. Damn it. Stay still, bass. I think I pulled this one up too early. I think I should have fought him a little more. Red-eye bass. First red-eye bass in forever. It's a huge one. 14 inches. Biggest one I've ever caught was 16. Scale turn on. There you go. Can't feel my fingers. It's so cold out. My hands all wet. Do the math. It's not fun. 1 pound 5 ounces.
Alright.
Nice red-eye bass.
Okay.
15-inch fish with a weight of... Oh geez. He's slipping away. He wants to go. Weigh him real quick and we'll let him go. Pat's got to move his cart. Okay. 1 pound 13 ounces. Catch of the day.
Okay.
Kind of slow day for shiners, but check out this fish, spotted bass. So let's let him go so he can live. Last 25 minutes, stop floating.
Okay.
Check it out. I just caught this big bass and look in its mouth. Can you see in its mouth, Dad? It's got 2 of my hooks. He's the one that snapped me off earlier. The only fish I got snapped off today by. You see the hook? You see the?
Hold him up to the light.
No, he's finning me.
Hold his mouth up to the light.
Do you see it? Alright, here, stop filming for a little bit while we... Alright, 1 pound, 5 ounce bass. Max left for a little bit. He might be coming back, so I hope he does. So I still got bait. My dad's on his way. Come fish with me. Yeah.
On the bridge.